welcome to Iran.
Welcome to Iran!
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's typical American?
Yes. Yeah, very typical.
Thank you so much. And this? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal estáis? ¿Qué país es?
Perú.
Ah, Perú. Perú, para. Ah, muy bien. ¿Puedo? Sí, me gustaría probar.
¿Con picante?
¿Qué?
¿Picante? ¿Spicy?
¿Picante?
¿Poquito spicy?
Sí, vale. ¿Esa es típica de Perú?
Sí, es un sándwich de
¿Qué es?
street food from Peru.
A street food from Peru? What is the name? Isn't it me? Mandazi. Zimebeba ingredients gani?
Ingredients
Mayai,
Paya de Kenya.
mayai na
baking powder, wheat flour, Wheat flour.
Greek yogurt.
Oh, yogurt. So it also has yogurt and eggs.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You're welcome. So this Ucrania, ¿no? Vale. Yo soy de Kenia y me gustaría probar plato algo típica de ahí. Típica. ¿Ese qué es?
Yeah, it's pork, lard, fat of the pork.
Pork fillet. Hola, perdona. Italy, ¿no?
Sí.
Italia, porque pizza.
Sí.
¿Dónde empiezo ahí? ¿O da igual?
Es igual.
Hola, chicas. Muy bien. Brasil, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Qué tal estáis? ¿Todo bien? Guys, I'm bringing you this from Lebanese. It's our next country because I can see Lebanese. I hope I'm not wrong. They have a red, green and white flag. So I'll be testing their typical plate. Yeah, typical plate so that I get to know. Hola, perdona. Hola, perdona. ¿Qué país es?
Lebanon.
¿Lebanon?
Sí.
Hola. Sí, Lebanon.
No español.
No pasa nada. ¿En inglés sí? Perdón,
Inglés,
¿quiere?
yes.
¿Quieres?
No, that's fine. No. Voy a preguntar. I was gonna ask what's in there. Yeah.
All right, that's the same thing I was
Spinach.
Spinach?
Feta cheese rolls. Feta cheese rolls. Cheese rolls. This is stuffed green leaves, no meat.
Oops, sorry.
This is falafel. Falafel. Falafel is like chickpeas, flour, and some herbs, and they fry it.
And what is typical in Lebanon? What is typical plate? I need the typical plate. Typical?
Just talk to her. She's the Lebanese one.
Hola! Welcome to Lebanon!
Yeah, it's from Lebanon.
I want to taste the typical plate from Lebanon.
Thank you so much.
Hey, I was asking, what is the typical? Typical.
Actually, it's not here. It's a dish called kibbeh. It's a burger with fresh lamb and lots of spices. No, this is our main dish.
A lot of
kibbeh.
spices.
This is our main dish. And for the salad, it's tabbouleh, as everyone knows.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
And for today, what is the second main? The second main?
Second main, we can consider grape leaves stuffed with rice and vegetables. And
Right.
we're gonna try one. It's so good.
All right, can I pick one?
Of course.
So guys, welcome to Lebanon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome to Kenya. We have also.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you should visit Kenya.
And this is the flyer to order the food from Korea.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, this is typical Lebanon. I think it's the second because they have said that they have the first one. So I'm gonna be testing it right here. I don't have somebody to hold my camera, but it's okay. So I'll just be testing it like this. Yummy. It's yummy. Incredible, guys. You cannot, it's incredible. I thought it's just vegetables. Wow. Let me say thank you because I'm sorry because it's very yummy. So let me I could take more, but I don't have space. I have to taste a lot of food so that I tell you, you know, there's only eating. Thank you so much. It was delicious. I like it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That was Lebanon, guys. That was Lebanon, and the next country, I don't know where is this, but we have like a drink. I wanna taste the drink now. I wanna taste the drink. So this function is about culture, food. So just like the video, you can share it if you're watching it from Lebanon, USA, and all the countries that I've mentioned. Kindly share to your friends. Hola. No lo sé, la verdad. Yo estoy aquí, pero vámonos. Sí, yo quiero. Oh, vale.
Te va a encantar. Si te gusta para ti y esa bebida es buenísima.
Oh, they have something like. Hola.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Muy bien, ¿qué país es?
Irán.
Ah, Irán. Qué bien. ¿Ese qué es? Hola.
English?
Sí.
Okay. This is cucumber, vinegar, little bit sugar, and what?
Maize. So it's typical in Iran?
Especially for summer.
Wow.
Would you like a kebab? A Persian kebab?
Yes, I would like. I love the dressing code. This is the dressing code in Iran?
This is one of the traditional.
Wow, guys, welcome to Iran.
Welcome to Iran.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Would you like an Iranian kebab?
Yeah, sure.
And this is a restaurant that's opening in the Finca in September.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay.
It's kebab. What does it have? Like the ingredients?
Veal and lamb.
Lamb and
veal.
And beer?
Beef.
Ah, beer.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the drinks.
Hola. You're welcome.
Yeah, I really appreciate
Would you
it.
like a Persian kebab? It's excellent.
So guys, I'm gonna be testing Iran. Wow, the first time to test Iran food from Iran. My first time, just eat a place and taste, you know. Just wanna go up there. And taste something before. Yes, guys. So I'm here. The main ingredient is cucumber. Wow, incredible. Cucumber, vinegar, a little bit of sugar. Wow, you should go to Iran, guys. You should go to Iran. We have the kebab here. I'll be tasting the kebab. Yummy. Super yummy. So guys, we've done more than 4 countries, and there are more countries, of course. We've done Italy, we've done Iran, we've done USA, we've done Lebanon, we've done Brazil. I'm looking for Colombia. Right now. Guys, kindly subscribe. You know, people are from different countries right here, and this is what we do. Today is only eating. I want to test China and more.
Seriously? You didn't have to do that.
You should eat foods from different countries,
Okay,
so that
this is food from Kenya and I'm proud.
yes, but you should test also other foods, you know.
Yeah, I agree.
You agree?
Okay, but I only like two foods. Only two countries. Kenya and USA.
¿Sabéis dónde está
Nada más.
España?
Sí, arriba, paella. Hay un plato
¿Dónde?
arriba.
Arriba.
Cuando sales ahí,
Vamos a...
hay una
Escalera. I will look for it.
All right.
I know more or less where you're talking about. I will have to see.
So I wanna go to Colombia. Hola chicos. This is Colombia. Hola, Colombia, Medellín.
Pereira.
Ah, ¿eres de Bogotá? ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien, muy bien.
¿Qué tal aquí en España?
Súper, como siempre, muy bien acá en Madrid.
¿Sí? ¿Y cuál es típica plato de Colombia?
Vale, hay muchos, dependiendo de la región, pero digamos que el más conocido es la bandeja paisa. Los frijoles, el chicharrón, la arepa.
Arepa, ahí.
Mira, ahí está la arepa.
Ah, qué guay, qué guay. Me gustaría probar una cosa de ahí.
Pues,
¿Ese qué es?
Se llaman besitos,
Sí.
son hechos de harina de yuca y queso.
¿Ah, sí?
Son horneados, están muy buenos.
¿Son como postre?
Es
algo así.
salado, es salado.
Ah, es salado. Ah, wow.
El único postre es este.
¿Es ese? ¿Qué es?
Se llama suspiro y está hecho de clara de huevo.
Ah.
Lo bates y después al horno.
Sí, sí.
Y quedas también está
Voy a
buenísimo.
probar ese. Muchas gracias, tío. Perdón. Muchas gracias. So that's Colombia. Incredible, guys. Nishachukua mara ya kwanza. Guys, if you go to Kenya or any part of Kenya, let me say in Kenya, if you find yourself in Kenya, you should taste samosas, chapati, pilau. They're incredible. And the chef is here. What is your name? G.I.
Judges. Are these the same?
So that is the chef. Is the man behind what you see here. And people are enjoying a lot. I wanna ask somebody what she thinks or what he thinks or what they think about the typical plates, so that I get to know. So let me just find someone to give us an opinion or something like that, because if they would like to see it, to know it. Sorry.
I forget what it's called already.
Samosa.
This is samosas.
Samosa. Do you like it?
It's amazing.
Really?
It's wonderful.
And what about this?
It was described to me as
Pilau.
African paella.
Yeah. African paella. That's simple. It's pilau. It's more of spicy
Oh.
and typical in Kenya. Do you like it?
I love it. It's amazing. Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow. So they love the pilau.
Wow.
Yeah, if you're watching me, you should test pilau. They're still eating typical Kenyan food right here. Yeah, I just want their opinion. Perdona, chicas, ¿has probado
Sí.
algo de Kenyan?
Yo todavía no.
¿No? ¿Tú sí?
Sí.
¿Qué ha probado?
Las samosas, esos ahí.
¿Samosa?
Sí.
¿Te gusta?
Sí, está muy rico.
¿Es primera vez o...?
No, los he probado todas las veces, pero está muy rico.
¿Dónde? ¿Eres de Kenia también?
No.
¿De dónde
Pero,
eres?
de Madrid.
Ah, de España, Madrid. Qué guay. ¿Y tú?
De Portugal.
Ah, Portugal. ¿Qué tal por ahí?
Bien.
Bien.
Sí.
¿Te gusta más Portugal o España o los dos?
Los dos.
Pero tiene que gustar uno más.
Bueno, Portugal.
Ah, en casa.
Sí, sí.
Perdón, ¿se han ido a bailar?
No, no, estamos aquí todavía, pero...
¿Cuándo empieza? Es que yo quiero coger fotos.
A las 2 y 4.
2:15. 2:15.
Yeah.
Are you speak English?
I speak English.
Oh, right, okay. Is that better? It's better for me.
Yeah.
Where is it? Is it upstairs?
When you exit, there is a red entrance over there. Then
You're up on that floor, where Brazil is.
Yeah, Brazil is. So you're going to dance there.
Great, okay.
Right.
At 2:15, I'll
Yeah,
go back
we will
there.
be there. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hola. ¿Qué país es? ¿India?
Sí,
y Kenia.
Kenia.
Hola.
Kenia.
No me
Where?
jodas.
Yeah.
No,
Are you
no.
from Kenya?
I'm from Kenya.
Yeah, we grew up in
were
Kenya.
born in Kenya.
Nairobi.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So we thought we'd come and see this first. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. How's life here?
Well, we only moved here in July.
In July.
We don't go to this school. We go to kids go to another school.
Which the Brazil, the British?
No,
Yeah, the British
Runnymede.
school. Yeah.
Right here?
No, in La Morlea.
Ah.
Yes.
Wow. Nice to meet Kenyans here.
Exactly. Yeah.
Kenyans who don't look like Kenyans, they look like
I
Indians.
know. They were in green. Yeah.
What's your name?
Anahi.
Anahi.
Yeah.
Oh, very beautiful name. You look so beautiful. You want to eat? She was born in Kenya, I guess?
No, I was born in Kenya. She was born in London.
Ah.
Yeah.
Alright. That's awesome.
We try the food.
Yeah. Welcome. So thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Diren.
Diren.
Your name?
Matiko. Chef Matiko.
Chef.
Yeah. I show you.
So how are you associated with the school?
What?
How are you associated with the school?
No, they invited her. They invited us here. I live in Madrid, so
So
they
you.
invited Kenyans.
Okay.
This is my name.
Chef Matiko. Okay.
Guys, I'm showing him my channel. Go and support it.
Chef Matiko.
Chef Matiko.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, when you have time, just look at it.
Yeah, I definitely will.
Thank you so much. Naenda kwa Bamakoa. Hola chicos, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué país es? ¿Qué?
China.
China. Hola, qué guay. ¿Dónde está China? ¿Dónde están?
Ahí.
¿Fuera? Les voy a probar comida. Muchas gracias. Hola, qué guay. ¿Cómo te llamas?
William.
¿Sabes karate? ¿Karate?
No.
¿Por qué? You're from China. But anyway, I'm joking. So let me go and test typical Chinese food. So guys, I want to go out to look for more countries because I'm told that there are more countries outside there, and I would like to prove or to taste their foods. So come with me, guys. So let me go outside.
Anything good in here?
So the event is only eat. I'm so happy because I'm eating almost everything. So guys, kindly share the video, like, comment. Let me see which country is this. Like more of barbecue. More of barbecue. So I wanna taste. So it's like more of barbecue. Just look at this. Wow, incredible. Hola. Perdona. ¿Qué país es?
Argentina.
Ah, Argentina. Ah, sí. ¿Qué tal por ahí?
Bien, gracias.
Muy bien. ¿Esa es típica de Argentina? ¿Cómo se llama?
Choripán.
Choripán.
Chorizo y
Y
pan.
pan. Hola, qué guay. Muchas gracias.
¿Y por qué hablas también español?
Porque ya vivo aquí 2 años, entonces...
2 años. ¿Y mira cómo habla?
Bueno, estoy aprendiendo.
Muy bien habla.
Sí.
A ver, a probar.
Pues, muchas gracias.
¿Qué sería
Choripán.
Ah,
Todo es Argentina, ¿no? ¿O solo es?
¿ellos de dónde?
Ucrania.
Ah, Ucrania.
Y Irán.
Ah,
Y allá
Irán.
está Alemania.
Ala. Muchas gracias.
Get some choripan, Paula.
Yummy, guys. Hola.
Hola, buenas.
Buenas, perdona, ¿qué país es?
De Irán.
Ah, Irán. No, acabas de comer ahí dentro y,
¿Te gustó?
y sí, me encanta. Y hay una verdura como
¿Sí?
verdura.
¿Dentro?
No. Dentro y fuera. Como espinaca, pero como espinaca.
Ah, vale.
Sí, y es muy rica. Pues muchas gracias, acabas de comer ahí.
Sí,
muchas gracias.
Here, yeah.
So guys, I'm looking for China. so that I taste their food. Meanwhile, let's keep on eating. Guys, I'm in a big hall right now. I never knew that it exists. So we are going to start again.
This one you eat it and you push it up.
Okay. Hola, Puerto Rico. Hola, qué guay.
El mejor.
Hombre, claro que sí. ¿Cuál es plato típico de Puerto Rico? ¿Cómo se llama?
Con gandules y pernil.
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 It's pork. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How is Puerto Rico? Me gusta mucho Puerto Rico.
Bad Bunny, man.
Wow, it's beautiful. I would like to travel there.
Where are you from?
From Kenya.
Ah, beautiful.
Sí.
Good coffee.
Good coffee, of course.
Yes.
Puerto Rico, rico.
Yes.
Muchas gracias. Voy a probar. ¿Y esa bebida?
Eso es shake ice. Se llama piragua.
Piragua. Sí.
Con un sirope de fruta. Bien bueno.
Vale. Guys, we are Puerto Rico.
Esto es como Puerto Rican ice cream.
You pop it up and
All right. Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
So guys, you should welcome to Puerto Rico. That's so nice, welcoming. So let me test this. Then we get to go to the next country. Right. Okay. So I have to test this from Puerto Rico.
No worries about Mayra. I feel like
Hola. Perdona. ¿Qué país es?
India.
India. Me gusta su vestido, por eso. So guys, welcome. We are in India right now. That country that people dream of traveling to. I'm gonna be testing the Indian food. Yeah, it's more of spicy. So welcome to India, guys. They have beautiful flowers. And I'll be testing the Indian after I finish my ice cream from Puerto Rico. So we are in India. Hola, India. No pasa nada. Tú termina. ¿Ya? ¿Qué tal?
Bien.
¿Cuál es típico plato de India? Todo.
Esto de pollo,
¿Sí?
pollo tikka.
Sí.
Esto es
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka, yeah. Thank you. And I'm glad. And this is a biryani. With
Biryani. Wow.
I mix with the yogurt.
What is this? What is this?
Yogurt.
A yogurt.
I only have one plate.
They didn't give us one presented. I was getting confused.
So guys, I want to try masala tea from India. Pardon, can I try masala chai from India? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Which country are you here for?
What?
Which country are you here for?
I'm from Kenya.
I was thinking. Yeah, looks like. I lived in Uganda.
You live in Uganda.
Yeah.
How is life in Uganda?
Oh, it was nice.
It was nice?
But we used to go to Kenya all the time to go shopping. Kind of from India, Morocco,
This,
Middle East. Yeah.
masala tea.
Mostly India.
And,
Okay, mostly India. Mostly India.
You should now when you want to live in Africa, for example,
Yes.
which country would you live
Now.
now?
It's difficult. Because I also lived in Zambia, and from there I went to South Africa a lot.
You should.
Because safety is the big thing, right?
Welcome in Kenya.
Huh?
In Kenya, you should live in Kenya.
I don't have any friends living in Kenya. I have friends living in South Africa. I have friends living in still Uganda. And they kind of sometimes go to Zanzibar. I have friends in Zambia. But Kenya?
No friends in Kenya. You
Okay, I have to go back.
You can make friends in Kenya because we have a lot of Indians there.
That's true. I'll take the family to Kenya.
All right.
Next.
Welcome in
We
Kenya.
just went to Tanzania, but Kenya. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right. I'm
So
gonna.
that is India, and their tea is incredible. Actually, I want to take all of it. Wow. Just want to drink. Hola. ¿Qué país?
Es Japón.
Ah, Japón. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Nunca he probado algo de Japón. Me gustaría probar algo típico de Japón.
¿Esto es dulce?
¿Sí?
¿Eso es dulce? ¿You want some rice?
¿Qué tal en Japón?
Ah, perdón.
¿Qué tal por ahí en Japón?
Ah, sí, ya me gusta mucho. Ya, está
¿Sí?
bien.
Sí, sí.
Sí, ya, yo soy medio japonés.
Ajá.
Estoy aquí, ya.
Qué guay, qué guay. Look at their colors. They're awesome. Japan. ¿Esa bebida es de Japón?
Ya, sí, es.
¿Típica?
Ya, it's
¿A té?
Ya, ya.
Voy a probar.
Ya, sí.
So guys, I want to prove this tea from Japan, so that you know, guys. Now I need to drink a lot. So incredible. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Sara.
Sara. Japón. Eso es un nombre de Japón también, Sara.
Sara.
Es español, ¿no?
Ya,
Sí, es que
más
soy medio
español,
española.
ya.
Sí, soy
Ajá.
medio española. Pero es un nombre que también está en Japón.
Ah, sí, Sara.
Sí.
Qué guay. ¿Qué tal por aquí en España?
Bien.
¿Bien?
Sí, bien.
¿Te gusta más que Japón?
Es que nunca he vivido en Japón.
Ah, nunca. Ah.
He vivido aquí en Madrid.
Pero va ahí muchas veces.
Sí.
Ah, ¿sí?
Todos los años, sí.
Hola, qué guay. ¿Quién prepara ese? ¿Tú?
No, las madres.
Ah, ¿no sabes cocinar o qué?
Sí, pero a ver, es que tengo cosas que hacer. Estoy muy ocupada. Pues estoy trabajando ahora.
Vale, te dejo para atender a otros.
Sí.
Muchas gracias.
Nada.
So guys, this is tea from Japan. The first time tasting tea from Japan. Incredible, it's like hub, but incredible, guys. So I've already finished 2 tea, and let me talk to other groups. Hola. Hola, hi. Which country? Indonesia. Wow. How is life in Indonesia?
Life is good there.
Wow. So what is typical from Indonesia?
So this is typical in Indonesia when people, like tourist people come, they always eat this.
Yeah.
So that's why I bring it in here.
Oh, thank you so much. And this also is typical?
Yeah, this is the ginger candy. This is traditional one. You know, I grew up eating those. And this is coffee cake.
Wow, thank you so much. Can I taste this?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it. People, welcome to Indonesia. Right now, I have a friend who's a YouTuber. Right now, is in Indonesia.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Say hi.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm from Kenya. Welcome in Kenya.
Well, thank you. I will be there.
Thank you so much. That was Indonesia. Wow. So you can see a very typical instrument of South Korea. It was, I used to see this in the movie. Actually, they brought the architecture. How houses look like in Korea. So, hola, estamos aquí.
Good stuff right
Hola. ¿Corea? ¿Qué tal? Well, guys, so this is Korea. You wanna see what they have? Wanna see what they have? So that's
Sticker.
we have 1 minute to go. This is Korea, guys. So I should come and finish. Hey, my brothers, manduku, yani. Hujaacha kukula, hujamaliza kula?
Ndio tunafika Brazil. Alafu tuende India
I have like 5 more countries left. So when we finish performing, I go to the other hall.
Okay, this is our last country, India. And then